Okay, Mr. Harmless here, and we were working on the 6-1 practice. And these is questions number 7 and 8. And if you're watching this video, it's probably because you got stuck on one of these or got one of these wrong, and you're trying to figure out what the correct answer is. These questions have 2 steps to them, which, by the way, before I go any further, it says find the measure of each angle. All I actually want you to do is find x. I'm going to cross that out. All I wanted you to do was find x. I'm not going to worry about finding the measure of each angle this time. Find x, okay? So the way we do this, the first step of this is to figure out, okay, here's an angle, right? X plus 15. I'm just going to write it here for just a second. X plus 15. There's another angle right here, 2x plus 15. You got another angle right here, 3x minus 20. And you have a fourth angle right here, which is just x. Now these 4 angles, right, we should know what they should add up to be because this has got 4 sides, 4 angles. We were just earlier in this finding the sum. The sum of interior angles, which that's what these are interior angles. Sum of the interior angles is the number of sides minus 2. Multiply that times 180. So since this has 4 sides, 4 angles, number of sides minus 2, so 4 minus 2 times 180. 4 minus 2 is 2, so I'm going to do 2 times 180, which is 360. So I know that what these 4 angles should add up to be is 360. If I knew what they were, they would add up to 360 degrees. What that means is this. I could take this first angle, and I could go, okay, I'm going to add it to this angle, I'm going to add it to this one, add it to this one, and they should equal 360. Okay, so that's the way we're going to solve this, is we're going to take the 4 angles that we have, and since there's 4 of them, I know they should add up to 360, so I'm going to list them all out, add it up, equals 360. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at these terms here. Notice I've got an x here. This one doesn't have an x, but this has an x, so an x plus 2 more, that makes 3x. It doesn't have an x in it. Oh, there's another x. I had 3 already, plus another 3 would be 6. And one more there, makes 7. So if I combine the like terms, the x, the 2x, the 3x, and this x, I get 7x. Okay, now let's see here. I've got a positive 15. Another positive 15. 15 and 15 makes 30. 30, oh, but minus 20. 30 minus 20 is just 10. And that's all the numbers we have on this side. So we end up with a positive 10. And this is still equal to 360. Okay, so all I do is combine my like terms on this side of the equation. Since these are all on the same side, I can combine them together. Now I'm going to start doing where we do the opposite to solve it. So I would get rid of this 10 next. I'm going to go minus 10, and I end up with, bring down my equal sign, 360 minus 10 is 350. On this side, plus 10 minus 10 is just 0, and I have this 7x. I'm going to slide it over a little bit. We can divide both sides by 7. All right, I can go like this, divide both sides by 7 to cancel those 7's out, leaving me with just x on this side. And this side, 350 divided by 7 is 50. So since all I wanted you to do is find x, there's x equals 50. Okay, so now I did the first one for you, and I did it all the way through. I wasn't planning on it, but we did it all the way through. Okay. The thing is, all these you're going to do exactly the same way. So we're going to do this one the same way. And in fact, since this one also has 4 sides, I don't have to redo this work right here. I already know that all of these added together will also equal 360. Okay? So list these all out. 6x minus 4, 2x plus 8, 6x minus 4, 2x plus 8. Add them all up. Combine your like terms. Okay? Then go ahead and solve it. Same series of steps we did here. List them all out, add them up, combine your like terms, solve the equation, and that's how you're going to do problem number 7 and now hopefully be able to do problem number 8.